So hello YouTube, I'm going to show you how to change the fluid on the transfer case. This is a BMW X5 E53 3.0 petrol engine with 231 horsepower. The make is 2006. The engine has now 187,000 kilometers on it, and I had some diagnostic trouble codes on that, so used the scanner, and there was a permanent error which says that the VTG has that permanent error. VTG means in German Verteilergetriebe. That means there is a transaxle gear which distributes or transfers the power, so that oil has to be changed. And how you do this? You do not need to lift the car. It's quite easy. You see this on the left side to the passenger side, there are two screws, that center screw here, that bolt, and on the inside there is a second bolt. And first of all, you have to loosen that filling bolt, and then the drain plug. There are two reasons. First of all, you know this from a bottle. If you lose the cap and want to empty a bottle, then it is quite easier to make a hole in it. And the second reason is, if you first of all take out the draining plug, and in some cases the filling inside is not possible because the screw is too tight or anything like that, that would mean that your transfer case is without any oil, and then it will be not possible to drive. You can drive, but you're going to damage your transmission gear system. So first of all, you have to take out the filling screw, and let's see how it is. So now we're looking underneath the car, and here you have the VTG, the transfer system, and you see that filling screw. First of all, you're going to take out this, and after that the rest. So I have loosened the two bolts. This is the second one, and I can advise you to use a long ratchet, because these screws are extremely tightly fit, and then we're going to drain the whole filling. Now we're going to take out, show you. So the whole fluid is coming out. It's about 500 milliliters, just half a liter. And you can wash out the inside of the transfer case with a brake cleaner using a syringe and a tube. I'm going to drain this, and let's see how it works. This is the screw from the drain plug, and the same one is on the other side. If you want to fill up this, there's a small copper sealing. You can reuse this, but it is advised to take a new copper sealing. And after that, you just clean it, and then you refill it. So my next question was, which is the fluid which can be taken to fill the transfer case? And the original product is called DTF1 by BMW Groups. In the same product, if you check the reference numbers and cross-check them, then you get this product here. This is from Ravenol, Verteilergetriebeöl, that means VTG fluid or oil, DTF1. And this is absolutely the same. You see this here, DTF1 transfer fluid. And if you cross-check all the numbers here, the problem is, or what can be advised is, you can use such a product like this one because it's much cheaper. This is 1 liter a bottle, which costs about 20 euros, and if you use the original DTF1 fluid by BMW Group, you will pay about 36-40 euros. Another company which produces something like this is Manual. This is from SCT Lubricants. I think they're in Latvia, Russia, anything like that. They themselves recommend a fluid which is called ATF AG55 or the ATF 3, which is the same as Dextron 3. So anyway, I have chosen this product, and I'm gonna put it inside with the help of a syringe and a tube, and then I have to delete or check with the OBD scanner. So finally I refilled this and put back that bolt. It is a 16 millimeter bolt, and if you use a torque wrench, it is a torque of 33 millimeters newton meters. That means 24 foot-pounds. So hello YouTube again. After I have changed the transfer case fluid, you have to delete the diagnostic trouble codes which are stored in the engine, or better in the ECU. And I use this program by Delphi. I'm going to select the make. It is BMW X5 E53. The year of the production was 2006, and here you have the selection of the transmission, and the program is asking if it's about the automatic transmission system or the transfer case. In German it is called Verteilergetriebe VTG. And now let's see the diagnosis. Start this. Okay, we have to switch it on in the first position. Now it is on, and okay. Now it's searching for the interface. If you use to search for the diagnostic trouble codes, here it is saying that the oil, that means the transfer case fluid, is already used and the signal is too high, and that is a permanent error. If you delete these codes, they're going to appear again and again, and we have to tell the system that the oil was changed. Test type and oil change Verteilergetriebe. This means that the VTG transfer case was changed, that the part was changed, and that the whole transfer case was changed. What we have only changed the oil, because, or better, the transmission fluid, this DTF1. I'm going to select this, and now we see yeah, it says this function must be done after oil changing in the transfer case. So you have to switch it on. Engine is off. Complete change of the transfer fluid. And now we're gonna press OK. So engine is not running, the ignition is on, and now the system is there. The function is done now. Was the transfer fluid changed? Yes. Please wait. All work is done. Okay. function is done, and that's it. And now I'm gonna check the diagnostic double codes. I'm gonna delete them now. No more error codes stored in the ECU. And that's it. So, I hope you enjoyed the video of the transfer case fluid change. And if you have any questions about part numbers or cross references, do not hesitate to ask. Wish you all the best and have a safe ride. The summer is coming.